It doesn't matter to me what you think about what I say, how I say it. It doesn't matter at all. I have a little short on my YouTube channel that says I'm going to do what I want to do, okay? I'm going to put up any article that I want to put up, and if you don't like it, that's on you. It's not personal, okay? It's just business, and I'm doing the business of research and advocating for safe, sterile, regulated products, and that's it. You know, I'm not trying to save anybody. I'm just trying to inform people. You want to do it, go right ahead. You know, you want to follow somebody that you met on YouTube that's telling you it's safe to inject, but you know, they can't tell you who the manufacturer is or if they're licensed or regulated. They want to tell you it's KFD. What? When they start spitting that out, run for the hills. KFDA. Run for the hills. I'm telling you. It's all a scam.